here. I'm here trying to do this once again. Yeah. And the other one I did last night. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it was last night, and my cousin was sleeping with me, and she told me, yeah, para it's we're Mexicans, okay? Don't judge, okay? And I think I'm doing Flash this time, only Flash. I think I fit on that one very well. Okay. I'm kind of sick though. That's fine. You're silly. Lady will never do that. Oh, you were right. You were right all along. I thought you knew. Okay, go ahead. Tell me the rest. Okay, I will go there if you don't mind. Okay, silly. Bye. Okay. Okay. Okay, go away. Okay, I don't want to see you. Bye. Why? Just why? You're stupid. That's a bad idea. This can't be happening. Okay. Well, probably. That can be a theory. You cheated! You cheated! You cheated! I don't want to see you. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. I'm not angry. I'm just happy. I'm not angry or upset. It's nothing bad. Oh boy, something looks like something bad's gonna happen on that part. Whatever. Are you sure? You give me the last piece of cupcake? The last piece? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to give me your last piece of cupcake. I love cupcakes. Oh, well, I would just go over there in the corner if you don't mind. What? No, you're kidding. That can be. You're kidding. You're playing. It's all a dream. It's all a dream. You're kidding. No, she cannot do that. He cannot do that. You're kidding. No. What? What are you talking about? Okay. I never thought you'd think about me like that. Okay. Let's. Oh my God. Let's play over there. No, wait. If we play over there, it's kind of bad, isn't it? Oh, okay. Okay. Bye. Okay. That's all. I hope you like it. Comment, please. If I did it good or bad, I'm just trying my best. I'm trying. Bye.